excuse my French, but
Oh, no.
It's what makes them so good because they're able to figure those moments out right there at that moment as it's happening, no matter the intensity level of it. So create if you can. I know everybody say create, but if you can't create, write. If you can't write, try to take an acting class, try to take a writing class. There's a lot of different free classes online right now. Try to learn, get your weight up, whichever way you can do it. Because that's what period it is right now.
Yeah.
I'm still, trying to cipher too, which way I want to get my weight up. Do I want to do a short? Do I want to do this? Do I want to do events? Do I want to do that? Like, it's so many ways to go, but it's so many things you got to be worried about and be sure that it's not going to be a fluke, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So,
and know that some of that creating on your own is not creating fiscal equity. It's creating social equity with the people that have the fiscal funds.
True.
Because shorts very, very often are not ROI products, right? Return on investment products.
That's what I tell people.
But they are a calling card. You make a good short. I mean, I'm living that out presently. Like, you make a good short, the right people gonna call you to make other stuff. Or you have those opportunities where there's so many programs, a lot of them through this DEI in our administration have been shut down, but there still are a lot that exist.
Yeah.
Having work sample, for the longest, I couldn't apply to a lot of the directing shadow programs because all my work was unscripted, and that doesn't count.
Yeah.
In these places. So I started making my own shorts and directing shorts so that I could have work to use to apply to these shadow programs and the Half Initiative and the Series Fests and blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So hear him when he says, make your own lane.